Yo, it's me once again, like I see Barber Shop. I know most of you will be wishing to see me, most of my friends. They to see me in person. That's me right there. That's me, like we see. Is your famous barber, celebrity barber. See, it's my guy Vector, not only Vector. Maybe my Diego. This video. I'll say let me post this video because I know most of you want to see the full video. I saw your comments. Thanks everyone for following me and all that, and thanks my fans. You guys follow me for more. I'm not forget. I'm not follow me. See, I never see. You guys are gonna see the best of like I see. Don't worry. I'm gonna make sure I give you guys the best video ever. And don't forget to hit me up for home service anywhere you are. I don't care where you did. Just hit me up, bro. I'll pull up and give you the best code ever. My phone's there, my phone call, my WhatsApp number. Anyone just contact me, okay? You can see just no be mad. See, now they see my video, so now no say still let you up and they try. See my guy say, we don't even this thing. I don't understand that. But sure, thank you.